Hello, my name is Rudy. I met Dr. Manoj on a performance driving event, and I am from San Diego, California. Through these events, I met him and I realized that he was doing the cornea surgeries, and several of our friends came with him and had very good success, so I figured I should entrust him with one of the most precious things that I have, and that's my vision. I was nearsighted. I couldn't read without glasses, and so I needed glasses to read early in the morning and late in the afternoon. And so I don't like using or carrying the reading glasses, so I figured it was the best time to do the surgery. It's actually affected all of my life because, one, I do like using sunglasses, but I was carrying my sunglasses, I was carrying my reading glasses, and it got a little bit cumbersome. I'm a person that likes to do extreme sports, and carrying two sets of glasses was just not very practical. Right after the surgery, I noticed improvements, and throughout the following weeks, the improvements got better. Obviously, the doctor explained to me, not just the doctor, but the whole staff explained to me the process and the healing of after the surgery, and I could recognize it week after week. I could see improvements. And over the length of several weeks, then my vision is just so much better. I don't require using any reading glasses anymore, that was the objective, and it's much more comfortable, and I'm so happy that I did it. I should have done it earlier.